If your friend is cheating, do you let the partner know, or it's none of your business?
Sorry. Do you tell though?
If your friend is cheating,
And you know.
and you know about it,
He's cheating with you?
Not.
Why are you pointing at me?
No.
The details are very important.
Yeah, because then I'll take my
detail is
moral
important.
accordingly.
Okay.
Because then we won't say anything.
Hypothetically,
Yes,
Jose and this gentleman are dating. Okay.
of course.
Both grey hair.
Both black and
Grey, salt and pepper.
Salt and pepper.
I'm close to both. Okay. I find
Evidently.
out Jose's been cheating on him with another
Salt and
colored
pepper.
head bitch. Okay.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Of course.
Do I go tell him the truth, or it's none of my business and back off? Let them figure it out.
You equally close to both.
Yes.
Tell.
Tell.
If you're equally close, then have to.
I think it depends.
But do you have feelings for me?
Ooh.
Huh?
Do you have feelings for me?
That changes everything actually.
It's important because then it's like it's a bitchy thing. It's like, oh,
What is this whole thing doing?
then you don't care about my
I don't
happiness.
Just cut to 2 grey flowers. It's grey, but they have
I'm
to be
very
grey.
objective about this. I have nothing to gain, nothing to lose. Okay. But yeah, so who's pro telling the truth and pro because I have done this and it didn't go well, where I told them
exactly,
and they
okay.
fought with me.
Can you
saying
tell us
that
this
You
story?
don't know.
Yeah.
You're just lying. You're just jealous of and then I lost that friendship. So I
But good
decided,
only then you lost, no?
No, yeah, Papa. प्यार में लोग थोड़ा पागल हो जाते हैं.
But
Correct.
if they become okay, they'll
You
come
can't
back.
sit on that information.
yeah.
I feel
You
it's
can't sit
very-
on
Also,
that
Kenny, it's not called pyar, it's called lust. But
Oh. Okay, so again, I think everybody vehemently.
this section come to my wedding, bhai. Cash bhi de raha hai, anti-lust also. I like it.
Tell.
Yes.
Tell.
Don't tell. Oh, we have some don't tell.
Who said don't tell?
Who said don't tell?
Shakal
That
dikhao
person
apni.
is cheating.
Are you here with your partner, buddy?
Why don't tell?
So it depends. You said that we are equally close.
Yes.
Yeah.
Never happened, right? You are obviously close to one person.
Fair enough. But you're close to one person. Okay.
Okay, that's
Socrates is here.
Let's take this scenario.
It is their problem to find out. Who are you to tell?
Okay.
your friend.
And,
ऐसा दोस्त मुझे कभी ना मिला.
yeah.
But to be fair, you're assuming that you have 100% clarity कि ये हुआ है. What if you're wrong? Then
Yeah, I was at the party. I saw them.
Oh,
No, we are assuming that we are 100%
Yeah.
sure.
So the information
Yeah,
is
yeah,
If we
verified.
are not 100% sure, of course. Then
Okay, is it college dating or is it a marriage?
Oh.
it's a very,
Does the opinion change?
very ageist.
Does the opinion change if it's marriage or college?
There's more on the line.
We
Does
can
it
have
become-
a discussion then actually.
Does it become more serious if it's marriage?
Yeah.
I guess?
No.
Okay.
My therapist is right here, guys.
Yes, ma'am. Cheating scene, but if children are involved, I think it's more complicated.
No, I would. But
If you're grown enough to date, you shouldn't cheat.
Yeah, ma'am. That's not my question. My question is not cheating is wrong or right.
मेरा बच्चा 6 साल का है.
Question is the severity of the situation more cause they are married? Obviously, cheating is wrong.
Them ultimatum if you're not.
Ma'am, ये आपके साथ हुआ है क्या? क्या हुआ? Ma'am, what is it? A lot of passion.
Are you really shouting at us?
This is not about. Ma'am, we are not the problem, ma'am.
As someone who's
Just
been cheated
tell
on,
them,
I
God
can
damn
say she's been. Yeah.
Do you have some anecdotes about this?
I don't have mic, that's why I'm shouting.
Oh, damn.
No. This is not a mic issue. Yeah.
One military
The
coup
shouting was
happening.
sounding good actually. थोड़ा वो aggression आ रहा था.
Yeah, that guy very calmly told me from 20 feet. But tell me, ma'am, what happened? Do you have some anecdote about
No, nothing like logical.
feelings.
feelings? It is a pain point.
Feelings, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, married couple. You're close to one person.
Oh, you're close to one person.
Yeah,
only.
and the person, the cheater.
What an audience!
Guys, I'm telling you, this section is fucking.
Solid.
The cash person.
Cheater or the victim?
The victim.
I
or the
think
cheater.
if you're, yeah, because I think if the victim you don't know, you feel more like confusion because you
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
help
yeah.
the victim, but you know the cheater more.
You're friends with the asshole, basically.
Exactly.
In the,
ठीक है. So in this situation,
yeah.
in this specific situation,
Very now.
Very tricky.
now what do you do? Do you tell?
The right thing to do is to tell.
Yeah.
Of course,
That's
of
how-
course, the
yeah.
right thing is to
The
do.
right thing to do is to tell.
I'm saying, would you do it?
Yeah.
That's a different question.
See, guys.
This is not obviously objectively cheating is wrong.
Yeah.
If I, yeah,
Would
I
you tell?
I would. No?
Yeah, it's very complicated.
See, I can't tell because I've blocked my ex.
No, but you friend.
Okay, I'll.
Nice
So which side are we on? Finally, tell us so
I-
that we
okay,
know.
okay.
I think you would tell. Jose, would you?
I'm against
Cheating.
ungli dalna, but
ungli
but
dalna.
for
So we
this
can- no, we can-
It
discussion,
doesn't matter what they did, Jose. It's cheating. That's all. You don't get into the.
I don't think Jose
concede.
would tell. I don't think Jose would. Jose seems like वहाँ यहाँ पे युद्ध हो रहा है.
I don't
यहाँ
even
पे-
want to talk to people. Forget telling
Yeah.
them about their relationship.
He won't tell.
I think Jose wouldn't tell. These guys will tell
Oh my God.
the person being cheated on that they're being
And
cheated
we are
on.
not telling.
These person are not getting involved.
not telling.
Yeah,
Very
yeah,
clear.
They
We're not getting involved.
Yeah, ये
Not
हमारा
getting
काम नहीं है.
involved.
Yeah.
We are.
Okay.
we are telling.
Yeah, yeah.
We are telling. I would.
We are telling. Then I want to start with saying, Kenny, Jose is cheating on you.
I would tell.
The thing is, though, if you tell me that, I'm like, how do you know?
Because I saw. What do you mean? How do you know, dude?
Yeah, I'll be
However,
like,
the information came. That
It was him.
then go ahead. I always
Why
appreciate
are you telling
honesty.
him? Why did
I
you tell him?
appreciate honesty because I'll tell you, I had this situation when I was young. My very close friend at a party, girlfriend was doing some shit with some other guy when he passed out. Next day I told him, and he was like, "ये ऐसे कभी नहीं करेगी."
Oh my
and for you to
God.
even assume this is messed up.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
So, and then he stopped talking to me, and then he found out eventually, and then 1 year later we became friends again.
So then good only.
That's fine. That's
No, but
how
I'm like,
would
it
be.
could have not worked out. It could have.
But then
drifted
also
apart.
worth it. But I'm on
But
the other
I-
side. Yeah, whatever.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'll tell you.
Inside, you would be.
Yeah.
You know, morally, you did the right thing.
Yeah, but
I would say if I sat on this information, I would think about it all the time.
Okay.
And my hair would gray, and I don't color. So I would
You would-
just to save my hair, I would say it.
okay.
Another reason I would say is because if the person's eventually going to get to know, like how your friend also got to know. Now the thing is, if they see it live, it could lead to murder.
Wow.
I
Guys,
never
have you
thought
heard
of
of
that.
so many
I never
stories?
thought of that.
Yeah,
Where
something-
you know they
That's a
open
very
a
good
bedroom,
point.
they see, and then there's murder. My point is prevent murder.
Prevent murder is a
So
great
just tell
point.
people,
That-
guys, think little ahead. Okay, don't be
Yeah,
like
yeah.
just moral. Just think ahead. You're preventing death, bhai. इसमें तो थप्पड़ ही मिलेगा.
I don't want to help you, but I've
That's
seen
a-
people climbing down the pipes and all.
But we are helping them.
shit.
Okay.
Sorry about
My point is that if I'm not friends with the spouse, if I'm friends only with the person who's
With the
cheating, my moral responsibility is not toward the spouse. It is something wrong is happening here.
उसको बोलेंगे.
हाँ कि भाई तू देख ले नहीं तो मैं तुम्हारी दोस्त हमारी दोस्ती नहीं रहेगी because value system is not aligning.
अच्छा.
You're making me look bad, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not friends with cheaters, so I can't be friends with you if you don't tell your husband.
Oh.
But I'm your friend, so I won't tell on you on your husband. So I won't.
You're telling you tell them to confess. That's what
You
you're saying.
confess or you
end.
sort this thing. But if you continue to be a liar, I can't be your friend.
I would give them ultimatum.
Ultimately.
कि अगर एक महीने में you don't say.
Or the 1 month you're like do sex.
Saurabh, you have
कैसा
very good
दोस्त है
points
भाई?
on this. You're right. That's ridiculous.
I've been cheated on, so I know, bhai.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
No,
Saurabh.
not so. It's guys don't
तो
be
अच्छा
pity
ही
now.
तो
My
है सेक्स
God.
भी हो गया ट्रूथ भी हो गया anyways
Sex and truth.
सेक्स और ट्रूथ दोनों के
But you won't give ultimatum to them like, if you don't tell, I'll tell them. So you better tell them. So it's coming from you.
no I won't tell because it's not my if I'm friends with you and you if I'm friends with you and you
Yeah, this makes
I know
sense.
his wife very well okay
This makes sense.
Oh,
and you were cheating
yeah, now you're making it real with this switch.
I feel Jose is incapable of cheating because I think if you walk in on Jose cheating, later, Arey, I thought she was my wife. I think that Jose is so pure of heart.
Just 1 second, baby. This is all jokes.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't even know these people personally.
I don't think he's just not capable of cheating. Really. It's just that, but he could be lazy to switch on the light.
Yeah, that's true. Cheating में कितना काम
बहुत
है?
काम है,
I've
बहुत
heard.
काम
It's crazy. You know, it's too much. That's true. Why the fuck are you laughing like that? My wife is watching. My wife is watching.
It's a great point. Cheating में बहुत काम है.
बहुत
We should
काम
make a
है.
T-shirt.
cheating में बहुत काम है
बहुत कम.
Cheating में बहुत कम है is what people will be. Sorry for that joke, but it's you know how India is.
cheating में बहुत
Why
कम
did
है
you just say cheating में बहुत कम है? Like कम.
Yeah.
Because it's a काम है.
But what is
But
quantity?
people are gonna read it.
Like
The closed captions.
ओ कम
कम है. CUM. तो तुम लोग क्या सोच रहे थे अभी तक? कि बस हिंदी में ऐसा वो what?
Oh.
Next level, Saurabh.
When you do the one thing, only the other. Anyway, sorry. Yeah, continue.
So we are saying Jose that
हम
we are
लोग
not
नहीं
telling.
बताएंगे कितना काम है घर में.
Cheating
I have-
घर पे बहुत
Oh,
काम
even
है.
telling on
भाई
cheating
में
is
बहुत
करना
काम है,
है.
घर पे बहुत काम
घर पे
है.
काम है, टैक्स भरना है.
Yeah.
There's too much work and then I'm going to
But
deal with
there
their
we are all
relationship.
cheating. Tax में तो we are not. Oh,
No,
just
that's
you.
मैं नहीं.
That's different. That's different.
That's different.
But
or
he's right, because if you tell them, then you have to console them also. Then you have to see them through the whole process.
And the third party is not my friend. Well, the husband is not my friend. I don't even have context कि husband कितना अच्छा बुरा
Yeah.
आदमी है.
No.
Then entire, I mean, I don't have dynamics.
Guys,
I can only judge my friend for cheating.
Are you implying कि अगर husband खराब आदमी है तो cheating is okay?
मैं कह रही हूँ कि मैं हाँ correct. If I go and tell the husband, I don't know the husband. Husband
Yeah.
could be a murderer type.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right? Husband could have anger issues.
Okay.
If I was friends with both of
Yes.
them, I would
Yes.
know.
Facts.
Husband could be a sweet also.
He could be violent. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. But I'm saying husband could be sweet also, like
No.
Kenny and Jose.
And still cheat.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
But these
So-
sweet ones only become murderers.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's also there.
Yeah.
They have so much repressed rage.
I
There's
thought
so
about
much.
murder at least
I-
twice.
As a woman.
Yes.
If this has been played, fair enough.
Give points now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Murder, though, I've thought about at least thrice.
Yeah,
Both
yeah.
sides have brought up murder.
Yeah.
It just happens a lot, or what?
That's
Better to just give them like a judgy, like a.
you
No,
express
you stop. You tell them I won't be friends with you. Okay.
Yeah, you break
just,
up with
just
both
drop
of them.
these friends.
some sort of ultimatum you're giving.
Yeah. If you continue to be this, I don't think our values align.
Fair enough.
But why do you have to tell the husband?
So
Because
it's like discounted morals.
no, it's not.
Oh.
Okay, like I have morals.
Oh.
क्या morals that I won't be friend with you, but तू थोड़ा उधर कर उसका क्या माँ चुदा है वो.
नहीं
Like-
तू कर रही है इसलिए मैं और तू कर रहा है मैं इसलिए
हाँ.
तेरा फ्रेंड नहीं हूँ. My morals very
हाँ.
strong, but my
But वो वाला murderer है तो उसको-
I don't tell on my friend.
Okay.
Okay. Also, what is your approach of telling? Do you tell the cheater or you're going to go tell the victim first? What is
I do a Zoom call.
I get them both on. I drop it and then I log out.
Yes. I do a presentation. saying it's
They're
happening.
like, host rights
Yeah.
has been transferred. This video is being recorded. I'm gone.
Connectivity issues
Yeah.
between you both also.
And taking notes.
Oh, wow. That is a great approach.
I'm in the waiting room. I'm just sitting like, which
Because-
one will come?
I've also noticed ki if you confront the cheater first and not the victim, they'll go and tell some jhoot ki, Saurav is saying some crap behind my back.
Yeah, then you.
You have cheated and they create alibis.
That's why you should not be friends with this person.
Hmm.
Drop.
feel like if you don't tell, it'll lessen the. I mean, if you tell, it'll lessen the karma that the person has to go through.
Karma is a good
Karma
one.
has
Good
been
one.
brought.
Karma. Hair color and karma. We're together in this.
Wait, can you elaborate what do you mean by that? Like, how is karma reduced? There's a formula? I don't know there's a formula.
भगवान बहुत सही सबक सिखाते हैं.
अच्छा.
I tell the person who's been cheated on, maybe it will be like, okay, she'll forgive him or whatever. But if she catches the guy, then it will be like really brutal and she like expose the family and she can take money from him.
Yes.
Ma'am, you're smiling at this, right? Guys, you all can't see your
Ma'am,
face.
don't give amazing ideas like this.
You just brought up karma,
Yeah.
and then in this, it doesn't seem like you're getting
Oh my
any
No,
good
I know
karma.
what she said. I see you, sister. I see you.
It's basically the de-escalated version of murder you're preventing.
Yeah, it's like they made it sweet and they're like, Mari denge.
Yeah. Fair. ठीक है. I think
Yeah, she's like, let bro cook.
She's
Let's
saying
see what happens.
every time you let the universe serve justice, the justice is juicier and better. And we've all seen this.
But there is also the
But-
karma of ruining somebody's relationship. Now, what if they have kids and then you ruin that kid's life?
You want to know if you were cheated on. If you
Yeah.
Ma'am, what are you accusing me of?
I think
Oh
sometimes
yeah, I would want to know.
you have to ruin the relationship.
would want to know, then you should also do the same.
Yeah, the golden rule. Yes, that is true.
What is the golden rule?
Do unto others
My
as
golden rule
you
is to
want
stay
them to do unto you. You have to say unto, otherwise it
Okay.
doesn't count.
In conclusion, I think our learning is stay single, guys.
Yeah.
This is
Oh,
tough.
there are ways to remove yourself from the situation. You guys have seen these little hoardings saying happy birthday so and so politician.
Yeah,
You can
yeah.
just put a banner up, or you can send them an anonymous email,
अच्छा.
or somebody left a note under their door with a funny handwriting.
that's
it
true.
could be anything. You know?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. I think then you just
But
put
this
the
is
seed.
against our point.
Yeah. I just
Yeah.
are losing, so I just wanted to help them.
But yeah, Shamik.
Or you can show them the footage that you have shot. At some point, you must reveal the files.
Yes.
Release the files.
He's
as
like,
they
hey bro,
say.
check this out.
Release the files. It
कितना
seems.
funny reel है ये. Oh shit. Sorry यार.
Damn, this feels so real. This one. Oh.
I read somewhere like you can, if you notice them like leaving somewhere, you go tell the victim ki like, hey, I saw you leaving that resort that day. How was the trip? And they're like, oh, you didn't go for the. Oh.
Yeah, you just drop
To
it
calm
innocently.
the- yeah, innocently.
That's a nice way to do it.
That's a nice
So,
way.
yeah, we also give tips on the show.
3D chess.
Where are you reading these things?
I have a lot of
Hey.
free time.
I think,
Somebody left a note under his door.
I think it's very tricky because you have to know how to say it, like you just said. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna practice on some friends now, so I
Yeah.
get it right.
Oh,
Yes.
तुम गए थे क्या?
I might ruin some relationships in the practice, but I will.
Fair enough. So, guys, we want to vote for which round, which team won. Guys, you need to vote based on the points they brought up, not how you guys feel personally. Okay.
About time you tell them that.
Okay. So, which team made the best points? Team do not tell.
The saying Jose. The saying Jose.
Team tell. I think it's a tie.
They're very young, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a tie. I think I'll
It's
give
alright.
points
We
to
take a
all
draw.
of
We
you.
take a draw.